How's it going, guys? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. We're doing Free Box Friday, March 20th edition. Let's get right into the everybody spots this week, and then we'll do the randomization. Let's see who wins Free Box Friday this week. All right, starting at the top, we have Adam K with 2 spots this week. Adam K. Let me move it in a little bit more. Adam K had 2 spots. Alan M had 1. Albert T, as I promised, missed out last week but has 6 spots this week. Alec D has 1. Alex W has 1. Amy I has 1 spot. Anthony C 1. Ben 1. Boston 1 had 2 this week. Brett B with 3. Brian B. Let's see if I could just scroll down for you. There you go. Brian B with 1, Byron A with 2, Bud S with 2, Charles with 4 spots this week, Charles C, Charles M with 1, Chris H with 1, Chris Z with 2 spots, Christopher F with 2, and Christopher S has 8 spots this week. Cole G has 6 spots this week. Colin D with 5 spots, Corey P with 1, Craig E with 1, Craig G with 4, Cynthia L with 1, Dell H with 1, Daniel M with 1, Darren K with 3 spots. Deshot Doctor 30 with 2 spots, David C with 2, and PVT has wowza. Davis H with wait, it didn't even count it. There we go. Hold on. 31 spots. Okay, 31 spots for Davis. Devin C has 6. DK has 1. Don H with 1. Drew M with 1. Dustin S has 4 spots this week. Eddie C with 1. El Balaka with 3 spots. Ellie Donna C with 4 spots. Eugene M with 1. Gabriel B with 1. Glenn V with 1 spot. Graph 06 with 1. Hakeem with 1 spot this week. Thanks for joining us. Hinnick K with 5. Let's see. Ian with 1 spot. J Dominic C with 1. Jason Y with 1 spot. Jeff M with 1. JP with 3 spots this week with us. Jeremy S with 1. Jerry M with 1. Jesse J 4 spots. Jessica W 1. Jibber 1. John H 1. Johnny S has 8. John K has 3. Jonathan R has 6. Jose F has 2. Josh P has 1. Kurt B 1. Landon 1. Leslie L 1. Licha G 1 spot with us this week. Marcus F 3 spots. Matthew G, Michael C, Michael J, Michael W with 5 with us this week. MWJ with 1. Pat K with 1. Robbie G with 2. Getting near the bottom. Robert C with 3. Oh, actually 4 spots. Wrong L with 3 spots. Rosemere D, which also goes by Boston 1. You have 3 more spots. Ryan G with 2. Ryan W with 1. Sean M, Sean Q with 2. SEO Web, Kyle. I think you were up there earlier. You had 2 spots this week. Steel Sword with 1 spot. Tony R with 1. Tyler S with 2. Wesley H with 6. Whitticus has 13. Whitticus 14. Whitticus 2 has 1. Wild Boar. Craig has 5 with us this week. William W 1. Winifred J with 2. Wyatt B with 1. Zach K with 1. And Zeph L Thunderstruck with 3. Okay, here we go. Let me copy and paste that list. All right, we copied. Let's get into the randomizer for Free Box Friday. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody, and thank you for joining us this week. We appreciate all your support. Randomizer number 1, Joshua P. at the top. I'm going to put it on the timestamp so you guys see. 3/21/2015. All right, we're going to go with number 2. Here we go. Randomize the list 2 times. One more time. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Randomize 3 times. All right, let's see who got it this week. Slow roll. Oops, going backwards. William W. William W. Congratulations, William. I think William only had 1 spot. Let me see. William should be all the way at the bottom. Here we go. Yep, William with 1 spot. Whoop! There we go. Congratulations, William. All right. 1 box. 2014 Top Supreme came out last week. You won the free box Friday, William. Congratulations. See what you get. Special box, 1 pack. All right, here we go. Julio Jones, 9/162. Jordan Matthews, 2/25, rookie on card autograph.
Those look better than those top tribute baseball cards.
114/144, Dan Marino. Last card for your free box Friday. 29/50. Look at Miami Dolphin box. Jarvis Landry, 29/50. Congratulations, William W. We'll get those out to you right away. There we go. We got two birds and a dolphin. 2/25. Jordan Matthews autograph. Congratulations, William. And we'll catch everybody next week for Free Box Friday and all our breaks. Thank you very much, everybody.